Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin and why you need 2 million coins of Terra Classic coin. But remember, we are using 2 million as a base. That doesn't mean you don't in fact, you need to buy whatever you can afford to lose, even though it is 100,000 coins, 50,000, whatever you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry. Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $345 in order to buy 2 million coins of Terra Classic tokens. Now, if Terra Classic deletes just 1 0, remember, so many experts and people believe this coin, there's a possibility that this coin is going to hit 1 cent. At the time of recording this coin is trading at 0.0001833. Okay, now Terra Classic deleting just 1 0, even though before the end of the year deleting just 1 0, with your 2 million coins, your $345 will be worth about $3,400. Wow, you can see that is a lot of profit, almost $3,000 profit. Okay, now deleting 2 zeros simply means Terra Classic is now trading at 1 cent. So let's say Terra Classic at 1 cent. If Terra Classic finally hits 1 cent, your $2 million will be worth how much? Now the truth is, your $2 million will be worth about $23,000. That is a huge profit. That is a lot of profit. Okay, imagine buying or investing just $345 and you are making about $23,000. That's over 22,000 plus profit, and that's a possibility. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Like I said, you can also invest what you can afford to lose. That doesn't mean you need to buy 2 million coins. Now, Terra Classic have gotten the support from Binance, the support from other crypto exchanges. There's a possibility this coin is heading towards 1 cent. Now, the burning have really increased. The community are burning every day, and I hope that this coin will make a lot of people happy, because so many people have actually lost a lot in the past. As of last year, April, when this coin was trading all the way from $130 price down to over 0.0000. I mean, this coin really crashed down. So many people lost a lot. Even Binance founder lost almost $1.6 billion due to the crash of Terra Classic. Now, him himself is not giving up on this coin. I believe he's really pushing this coin because he really wants to make some money back. He needs his money back, and he's fully behind Terra Classic. Okay, so that's why even he owns a lot of Terra Classic coins. So I believe people are also holding their own coins, because some people have been looking up to CZ himself. If CZ can be holding up to this coin, I think they need to hold their own coins too, and the staking have also increased. But I believe that if Terra Classic will keep on pushing, they will keep on burning. I mean, they need to increase the burning. For me right now, the burning is too low. I think a coin like Terra Classic need to burn more than what they are burning right now. What they burned last year, I mean, it's very small, 37 billion coins. But I think this year they need to burn over 500 million to 1 trillion coins, or even more, before the end of this year. With that in mind, I believe it's going to help Terra Classic LUNC to really increase in price. Now, imagine buying 2 million coins. Even though you have 1 million coins, you'll still be making about 11,000 plus profits. So imagine just buying 500,000, you'll be making about $5,500. Or you have just 250,000 coins, which you might be buying at the rate of about $80 or $50. You must be making about $2,000 plus profit. So it's amazing, right? Now I believe this coin is going to be one of the biggest coin of 2023. Let's keep hoping that the developers will keep doing what they are doing. Let's hope the developers will keep pushing, the developers will keep partnering, will keep working with crypto industries in order to partner with Terra Classic coin. Now Terra Classic community are so amazing. I love the community. They are really wonders. They are doing a lot of things, burning their coins. They are supporting this coin back to back. It's amazing to see this. When you go online, go on social media, you see how the holders are really supporting Terra Classic. And let's hope that by the end of this year, we all will be smiling to the bank. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.